mbambe ya u ṱoḓana na muhatuli-muhulwane wa ḽino shango yo no mbo ḓi thoma nga uhulu. Mushumo wa vhudzisesa wo mbo ḓi thoma ṋamusi wo vhurangaphanda nga muthusa muhatuli wa khothe ya ndayotewa vho-Mbuyiseni Madlanga vho vha vhone vha u ranga u dzula kha tshidulo tshifhisaho.
There is demonstrable evidence of my leadership skills. I have led at various levels, and let me emphasize up front that I have even actually led a court. I was acting judge president in Mthatha. Let me quickly itemize the things that I have done in leadership positions. I was for years a member of the executive committee of the Transkei Advocates, Transkei Society of Advocates, and then second, I later became its chairperson for 2 terms, and I could only have been retained because there was a feeling that I could lead. Third, for 3 years, I was deputy chairperson of the Competition Tribunal. That is an entity that is as good as a court. Fourth, before my appointment to the Constitutional Court, I was chief evidence leader in the Marikana Commission, leading a team of 7 counsel, 3 of whom, including myself, were senior counsel.
Khothe ya ndayotewa ndi tshikhala isina muhatuli-muhulwane tshe muhatuli-muhulwane wa kale vho muhweng vha dzhia maḓuvha manzhi a u awela phanḓa ha musi vha tshi o awelelwa tshoṱhe ṅwaha wo fhelaho. Vho Madlanga vho vhudza khomishini iyo uri vha vho farela kha poso khulwane tshetsho. Muhatuli vho Madlanga musi wa tshivhudziseso vho sumbedza uri vha na todea dzo teaho dzine dza khou ṱoḓea kha poso iyi.
The 3 broad areas that would qualify one for this position would be judicial skills and experience. You are, in a way, a person who is in charge of, for lack of a better word, an organization or a department. So, do you have those skills? If you don't, will you be able to develop them?
To those who seek to emphasize the idea that, but I lack leadership, I don't. I don't. And having started an entity like this from scratch, in an area, and I again emphasize this, in an area that was completely foreign to me, and I led it to success, how much more will I be able to perform in an area where I have grown up?
Mupresidente wa khothe khulwane ya khaṱhululo vho Mandisa Maya vhone vha ḓo dzhena tshiduloni tsho tshifhisaho mba matshelo nga ḽavhuraru.